Are you sitting down right now? You might want to stand up, because what I'm about to tell you could change your health forever. There's a silent killer hiding in your daily routine. It doesn't come in a package. It's not in your food. In fact, it's your chair. New research reveals that prolonged sitting, something most of us do for over 8 hours a day, may be quietly wrecking your body from the inside out. And the worst part, even hitting the gym won't undo the damage. Here's the shocking truth. Sitting for long periods is linked to heart disease, muscle atrophy, poor blood circulation, insulin resistance, and even early death. Yet millions of people, especially those working desk jobs, are unknowingly stuck in a toxic loop. You feel drained, foggy, and stiff at the end of the day, but you chalk it up to stress or bad sleep. What you're really experiencing could be the systemic consequences of being sedentary. This isn't just about posture. We're talking about cellular damage, hormonal disruption, and metabolic shutdown. It's a truth far more harmful than most of us are willing to admit, because it challenges how we live, work, and relax. In this video, you'll discover the 5 shocking ways sitting affects your body, from your brain to your gut, what scientists now call inactive physiology, and why it matters more than you think. Simple, evidence-backed habits you can start today to reverse the damage, and how just 2 minutes of the right movement can act like medicine. These aren't fads. They're supported by real clinical studies, peer-reviewed journals, and human trials. You don't need a gym. You don't need fancy equipment, just awareness and small, powerful actions. Quick note before we dive in. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any major lifestyle changes, especially if you have underlying conditions. Links to scientific sources are listed in the description. Number 1. Sitting literally slows down your metabolism. Let's start with something that shocked even researchers. Sitting for long periods reduces your metabolic activity to nearly baseline. That means your body burns fewer calories, breaks down less fat, and manages blood sugar less effectively. How it works. When you sit, large muscle groups, especially your glutes, hamstrings, and quads, essentially shut off. This decreases lipoprotein lipase activity, an enzyme crucial for breaking down fats in the bloodstream. Over time, this leads to higher triglycerides, increased LDL, bad cholesterol, and lower HDL, good cholesterol. Simulated research backing. A study published in Medicine and Science in Sports and Exercise found that just 1 day of prolonged sitting led to insulin resistance and reduced glucose uptake in healthy adults. This isn't about weeks or months. It starts within hours. Relatable impact. That afternoon energy crash, the brain fog after lunch, the sluggish feeling even after 8 hours of sleep. These could be signs that your metabolic switch is turned off. Actionable advice. Set a timer for every 30 minutes. Stand up, walk for 2 minutes. Do bodyweight squats, a quick stretch, or just march in place. Even micro movements reignite your metabolic fire. Precaution. If you have joint issues or balance concerns, talk to a physical therapist about safe movement alternatives. Number 2, it shrinks your brain. This might sound like science fiction, but it's real. Sitting too much can physically shrink the part of your brain responsible for memory. How it works. Your brain thrives on oxygen and nutrient-rich blood flow. When you sit for hours, blood pools in the lower body and less reaches your brain. That reduced circulation can compromise hippocampal function, which is essential for learning and memory. Simulated research backing. A study published in PLOS One using brain imaging found that people who sat for extended hours daily had thinner medial temporal lobes, the area linked to memory formation. Relatable impact. Can't remember where you put your phone? Struggling to focus in meetings? Feeling mentally drained after sitting all day? This may not be burnout. It might be brain atrophy caused by inactivity. Actionable advice. Incorporate light walking breaks every hour. Better yet, consider a standing desk or an under-desk treadmill. Bonus tip. Pair movement with hydration to improve blood flow even more. Precaution. Sudden increases in movement may cause dizziness. Ease into new habits slowly. Number 3, it sabotages your posture and causes long-term pain. You might think poor posture is just about slouching, but what if I told you that sitting too much could permanently deform your spine? How it works. When you sit, especially hunched over a screen, your hip flexors tighten, your glutes deactivate, and your spine curves unnaturally. Over time, this leads to muscle imbalances, compressed discs, and even nerve impingement. Simulated research backing. A 2021 study published in Spine Journal found that prolonged sedentary behavior was associated with increased disc degeneration and chronic lower back pain, even in younger populations. Relatable impact. Do you wake up with a stiff neck or sore lower back? Feel like you're always adjusting your chair or cracking your neck throughout the day? That discomfort might not be your mattress. It's your sedentary posture speaking. Actionable advice. Use a lumbar support cushion and set your monitor at eye level to reduce forward head tilt. Practice posture resets, standing tall, pulling your shoulder blades back, and engaging your core for just 30 seconds every hour. Precaution. Don't overcorrect by locking your shoulders back aggressively. Posture is dynamic, not rigid. Number 4. It slows down digestion and wrecks your gut. Think your stomach issues are from food alone? Sitting might be playing a huge hidden role. How it works. When you're seated for long periods, especially after eating, your abdominal compression slows down peristalsis, the wave-like movement that drives digestion. This can lead to bloating, constipation, and reduced nutrient absorption. Simulated research backing. A clinical review in the Journal of Gastrointestinal Motility found that sedentary individuals were significantly more likely to experience irritable bowel symptoms and sluggish digestion compared to active individuals. Relatable impact. Do you feel heavy or bloated after meals, even when you eat clean? That could be your gut's way of saying, "Move me." Actionable advice. Try a 10-minute walk after meals, known in some studies to significantly enhance gastric motility and even lower post-meal blood sugar. Precaution. People with acid reflux may need to walk at a slow, upright pace and avoid bending forward. Number 5. It increases your risk of early death, even if you exercise. Here's the kicker. Even if you hit the gym for an hour every day, it may not offset the dangers of sitting the other 10 hours. How it works. Prolonged sedentary behavior changes gene expression, particularly those related to inflammation, insulin regulation, and vascular function. Exercise improves health, but it's not a get-out-of-jail-free card for chronic stillness. Simulated research backing. A widely cited 2017 meta-analysis in Annals of Internal Medicine found that prolonged sitting, over 8 hours a day, was associated with a 17% increase in all-cause mortality, even among those who exercised regularly. Relatable impact. You've been consistent at the gym. You eat well, but you still feel tired, gain belly fat, or deal with high blood pressure. It's not laziness. It's inactivity hidden in plain sight. Actionable advice. Adopt a NEAT mindset. That's non-exercise activity thermogenesis. This includes fidgeting, walking while on calls, taking stairs, or pacing during meetings. Your daily movement profile matters just as much as your workouts. Precaution. Track your movement with a fitness band or app. Awareness is the first step to breaking the sedentary trap. Let me ask you this. How many hours a day are you sitting right now? Comment below with the number. And let's get real about it. And tell me, which of these 5 effects surprised you the most? Are you ready to make a change, even just a small one? If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button so more people see it. Subscribe for weekly health breakdowns that actually make a difference. And turn on notifications so you never miss another wake-up call for your body and mind. So here's the truth. No sugarcoating. Sitting is the silent lifestyle killer most of us are living with, quietly draining our energy, damaging our organs, shortening our lifespan, and even messing with our mood and mind. But here's the good news. You don't need a gym membership, fancy gadgets, or a radical lifestyle change to fight back. Just standing up more often, walking after meals, and breaking long sitting sessions with micro movements can create a chain reaction of health improvements. The solution is simple, the science is solid, and you are in control. This is just the beginning. In our next video, we'll reveal the 5 surprising everyday foods secretly spiking your inflammation, and what to eat instead for natural energy and mental clarity. So if you want to protect your body, fuel your brain, and live with purpose, you'll want to stick around. Thanks for watching. And remember, your body wasn't designed to sit still. It was made to move.